Hello guys, Smart is here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design this amazing banner using Figma prototyping tool. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step and I'll show you all the guides and everything you need to do to design an ad banner just like this one. So if you are designing for your website or for your business, this is the right video for you to watch to get an amazing banner just like this one. So abujaboss.com is a free classified ad website in Nigeria where you can find jobs, buy, sell and rent. At the same time, you can exchange your goods for free. So I have decided to design an ad banner that is straightforward, so that anytime anybody is seeing this ad banner, they will know what the website is all about or what the banner is all about. So without further ado, let's get on with designing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification icon so that anytime I'm dropping any video just like this one, you will be notified. And also hit the like button so that YouTube algorithm will know that this video is a very good video and it will be suggested for other people just like you looking forward to design a banner in Figma. Hello guys, so getting started, I already have all the resources I'm going to be using. So I have my pictures, I have my icons, I have this background picture, and I have all the colors I'm going to be using. So let us get started with designing. So this is what we are going to do first. We'll pick a frame here, then we'll come here to pick Facebook post, just like that. So after picking Facebook post, we are going to draw a rectangle right here, rectangle of this size. Make sure the rectangle is 100 width. Bring it down. So I'm going to align bottom just like that. So I told you I already have all my colors ready. So I'm going to pick the frame and I'm going to change the color from white to this color, which is 050614. That's the hex code of the color I'm using. So I'll change this rectangle. Remember, I drew a rectangle on the screen. So I'll change it to pure white, which is this color. Now I have my workspace ready. The next thing for me to do is to draw an eclipse on the screen. Let me draw an eclipse inside my frame. As the eclipse, I'm going to give it the primary color, which is this blue. Instead of making it solid, I'll make it linear. I'll position the linear color very well. I'm going to make it this way. Yeah, just like that. Make it faint a little. Okay, so I have my linear color there. Next thing for me to do is to draw another eclipse. Draw another eclipse here. But instead of making this an eclipse, I'm going to move this arc here. You see this little dot here. I'm going to move this. Yeah. So I think that is enough. Let me reduce it a little. Okay, I'm fine with this. I'll be changing the color to yellow, which is this color. Change it to yellow. Instead of making it solid or make it linear, position my linear. So just like that. So I'll draw another rectangle. I'll draw this rectangle right here. Now make it 100. The corner radius, I'm going to change the corner radius to 100. Make it bigger. Instead of fill, I'll remove this fill, then I'll add a stroke. Then the thickness of the stroke should be 10. Now change this to yellow, which is this color. Reduce it a little. Change the color to from solid to linear. Reduce that. Then I'll duplicate this. Ctrl D to duplicate. Ctrl D. Yeah, Ctrl D to duplicate. I'll rotate this. I'll rotate it just like this. Well, instead of just making it like that, I'm going to do I'll select everything, Ctrl G to group it. Then I'll move it inside my design. So as you can see, I have my design here. So I'm going to select this one. Instead of making it yellow, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change this color from yellow to blue, which is this. Blue. I'm going to make it all right. It's coming up. The next thing for me to do is to write on the screen. I'm going to pick my text tool here, do my writing. It's going to be, I'll capitalize it. Find jobs. Buy, sell, and persons, swap. I'm going to make the fonts from I'm going to make the fonts bigger. I'm going to give it 70. From regular to bold. Okay. So from regular to bold, I'll position this very well. Oh, I'm going to add cell friends. Going to reduce this from 70. Let's bring this down to 60. Let's make it 50. I think 60 is okay. So it's coming out well. Okay. I'm going to duplicate this. Ctrl D to duplicate and move it up here. Instead of making this one, I'm going to change the color from yellow to this, and I'll change the opacity to 0. Alright, so I need one more rectangle. Change the corner radius to 50. From this color to yellow color, I'm going to make it linear. So I need another write-up. I'm going to call it free classifieds in Abuja, Nigeria. I'm going to make this 35 font size, then I'll change it from bold to regular. Then the letter spacing, I'll increase it. Let's increase it to 9. The letter spacing. Okay, then I'll change the color from white to, I got the color from the clothes, so I'm going to change it to that color. Now I'll add my background, some sort of texture down there. Okay, this is an image of Abuja city though, and I'll bring my picture finally, the model. I'll bring the model inside the frame. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this one down. Okay. So I need another text. So I'll change this color from white, this find text. I'll change the color to blue. I have my icons here. Change them into icons. I have my icons here. I'll move the icons down here. Move the icons down here. Position it horizontal center. The next thing for me to do is to add a text here, the website link. Add the website link here, which is abujabuzz.com. From 70 to 40. Oh, Control O. Click 40. Position it like this. Change the color to my primary color. Change the color to my primary color, which is this blue. So this is what I can do. I need to add my logo. I need to add the logo here. So we can add anything there. Let's go down for the logo. Okay, this is the logo. That is the logo. It's kind of faint, but nice. So you can still play around with your design, make it look more beautiful than this, depending on what you want. As for me, I'm okay with this design. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button so that this video will be suggested to other people looking for videos like this. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.